All right, check this out. You're invited, VIP access to the one and only hashtag the Pros Uke Club. That's right. We're starting a online, worldwide ukulele group, and I want you there. So what are we missing right now? We're missing the interaction with one another. We're missing the camaraderie. We're missing seeing each other, telling jokes, playing songs, playing music. And this is a perfect opportunity for this. This is going to happen on Friday. All you got to do is go to ukelikethepros.com/club. Sign up. You'll get the email. You get the Zoom links. There'll be Zoom calls so we can see each other. It's going to be a party. Call it a party. Call it a club. Call it a World Ukulele Group. But it's going to be the hashtag Pros Uke Club. I want you there. I want everybody there. Let's get together. Let's have some fun. Let's play some music and make this world a better place.